Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay and enjoy my content. So in this vlog, we are going on the road again. We are going over by the park because they are having some family fun day thing. It's called Jamaica Fest. So we're gonna have some fun with the kids and just enjoy the rest of the day. It's currently after 1, I think it's 1:16 right now. I'm waiting on the driver said 20 minutes, so I'm here waiting. We're ready to go right now. So bags are packed. I have to pack like towel if we go sit down, and I pack snack and liquid stuff. But when I'm over there, I'm going to still buy juice and water and all of that, but just to be prepared. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me as usual so we can have fun together. Okay, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. It's Heroes Weekend because on Monday is gonna be Heroes Day, so it's Heroes Weekend. All the festivities are gonna go on. Me not gonna party like the FOF and all of that. No, me not got them someday. Me got the family fun day where I can bring my kids and enjoy myself same way. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So sit back, relax and enjoy.
So many reasons where I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See what you need, good things you.
A few moments later.
Guys, rain a fall, but the driver the panny way I come, we still a go because rain soon ease up. So we just there, I wait for the driver to come. It kind of clear up a little bit, Rain we there right here, so and rain not there in town. So when we go here, we will see if rain down there. But I pack up everything, umbrella and everything, so I'm fully prepared. But and I go link up with my cousin. So yeah, stick around for that. But me there I wait for the driver still. Yeah. Excited? Come on, let's go. Mia, look where you're going. Where's the mommy? Where the cars are. Which one? The cars are. The car? The car, right? We'll link up back, guys. We'll link up back. A crab.
It's supposed to be a dinosaur.
No, that look like in our shell.
Girl. girl.
MC, link up on stage right now. MC, link up.
Rainbow doing right there. There's two of them. Oh.
Hey guys, alright, so I never took up the camera when we reach home. So the fest, the Jamaica Fest fun day thingy, it was good, but rain. I left because it was rain. Well, rain did not come down in the night. So I just leave. I leave around 6:30 something. Yeah. But the day was good. When me get ready and everything, it was like before 2 o'clock, as you can see. When me there away up on the drive and all of that. Anyways, meanwhile me away up on the drive, rain come down. Me wait about 2 hours before me leave. 2 hours before me leave. So me leave like 3:30 something or to 4. Because when we reach down there, I think after 4 they go to 5. So the rain just did on and off. So the rain did on and off. The driver take long for come and all of that. Yes, the driver take long for come and all of them something there. So when we reach, no rain never did a fall. The place look dark, like rain is about to fall, but no rain. Storm them yard and no rain at the downtown. But that was good. I'm glad no rain never down there. That was good. So most of the clippings them have to use music because music did they down there. You know, I don't want to get copyright and all of that. So yeah, it was a good day. Never really get to do much activities because most of the activity they might not feel older kids. So me make Marion only go on one ride because when we reach, tickets for the rides was $400, and if you want free ride on everything all day, you pay a $2.5. You know, now says me pay the $2.5 because I know say me reach late and all of that, and most of the activity some of them are for the older kids. So I just pay $400 and make sure go on one ride. We go, we drink, we eat. I buy them little toys and thing, and once them have fun more good. Once they have fun more good. We could stay for the concert because rain did a drizzle in the night, and you know I never want to stay, so I never catch the concert part of it. I just go for them do the activities and you know enjoy them like yourself. When night come down, we come away yard. So it was good. Yeah, it was really good. Which we did go from morning when the sun was out, but that never happened. But it was really good. I really enjoy myself, you know, like outings and all of them Sunday. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys did for your Heroes Weekend, what you did with your kids, what you did by yourself. Just let me know in the comments. All right, guys, I just want to show you a cute little cup from my last grocery shopping. Here it is. It's so cute. It's super cute. I'm like how it feels. So I had to grab this. But guys, now we're on yourself. You see all of them used to do the grocery hauls and the all of the hauls, them and something. Me still I go do them. Now we're on yourself. Cause I know so I love a grocery vlog them and all of that. Me still I go do them. So the next grocery shopping, I go take on along with me same way. Now we're on yourself, man. I'm gonna continue to do what I like. Because you know, yeah, you support me, and I just want to say big up to everybody who they're on the journey with me. Really appreciate it. In the next month, November, it's gonna be 1 year since I am doing YouTube. Well, I mean, back in 2020, me did I do YouTube, you know, and then you know me just stop, delete everything, which me should delete the video them. Me should have make it stay for to see where me I come from. But last year, yeah, me decide say, you know, I'm going to take up back this YouTube thing, and me really love it. Like, me really love create content, no matter the views when me I get or me just really love it. Like, me have a passion for it. So I'm gonna continue to do it. As me say, in November, it's gonna be 1 year since I'm doing YouTube. And guys, I tell you, I love it. It's hard, you know, it really hard, but I love it, so I'm not gonna stop doing it. Like, it's my passion. I love to create content, you know. I love this YouTube thing, so I just go continue doing what I do for Uno, cause my sister Uno love it, and my sister Uno love me, you know. I'm love Uno so okay. So yeah, really appreciate everybody where support me on this journey. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Please stay and tell a friend to come over this channel to join the family. Okay, because we are family, you know. We are family. So yeah, I still I go do what me I do, still go into the vlogs, still do my grocery hauls and all of that. I'm not stop doing nothing, guys. I'm not stop doing nothing. Probably at that time in a mood, you know, in a mood I just say some certain things. Yeah, but I'm not stop do it. I'm not gonna stop. So look out for the next grocery haul. And yeah, thank you guys again for the support. Like, I really appreciate it. All the likes, the shares, the comments, all the encouraging words. It really, you know, it really done me something. But yeah, continue upon my journey. I already start. I'm not gonna stop. So we just move forward. Okay? Alright, so big up on yourself. This is not gonna be a long video. I really do hope you enjoy this video because it was just random clips from my day at the park at the family fest thingy. Yeah, just random clips I've just put together to give you guys. So it's not a long video, but I really do hope you enjoy. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video, you can be notified, okay? Remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_Burrell. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.